Welcome once again to Malavika's Magic. Thank you so much for all your efforts in helping me to design new games. Thank you for all your comments, and these comments have indeed motivated me to design games for all of you so that you can use it in the class with your students. You can also have fun, and your students can also have fun with these games. Okay, this game is commonly known as word search, but today I am going to change this game of the usual word search that we all know of to a little more complicated. Okay, so instead of just putting the words and asking the children to search for the words, which doesn't make much sense, which doesn't actually enable the children to learn. Okay, here I'm trying to incorporate the questions in the form of across and down. So suppose I go to the down section. I want to find out which state, a state where Brahmaputra river is located. Okay, now I know the answer. The answer is Assam. So I go to the puzzle and then I look for Assam, and yes, I can find Assam over here. For that I need to then drag this. Okay, this grid I have to drag and I have to place it over here. Okay, this is a slightly a larger one, so I go for this grid, this one. Okay, this is Assam. No, this is also a larger one, so then I go for this one, and yes, it fits in over here. Yes, that's right. This is how I know that I have got the answer to the section called down. I have got one answer correct. And then I move on to the next question. One state situated along the Arabian Sea. Okay, I think I know the answer. Yes, the answer is Maharashtra. So there I can find Maharashtra over here. Okay, so I take this and I drag it here and I place it here. Yes, I have got the answer. Okay, in this way you can incorporate any questions of your choice, whereby you are also teaching them, okay, the concept. At the same time, you're also testing to what extent they can remember. So it is a teaching as well as a testing game. Teaching the students that which state, which is situated along the Arabian Sea. Okay, teaching the students about certain important aspects or certain important parameters related to each state or related to our country India. For example, the concept of houseboats, concept of the river Brahmaputra, concept of the hilly state. All these we are teaching them. At the same time we are teaching them geography over here. You can teach them any subject of your choice. It all depends upon how you can incorporate, you can change the questions, you can bring in new questions. And if you want the template of this particular game, I will definitely share with you the template of this game. Okay, so this template, once you subscribe to this channel and you send me your email ID, I will send you the template of this game, so you don't have to do much. You just need to change the questions and everything is ready made, everything is incorporated here. And what you have to do, maybe as per the answers, maybe you have to change one or two alphabets over here. That is editable, you can do that. Okay, so this is a very interesting game and a very easy game to play with the children, and also an easy game to design, because in my previous game you must have noticed that I have included animations. In this particular game the animation is not, I have not used any animation over here, so it becomes all the more easier to design this particular game. So I don't want you to waste the time of designing. You can take this template and you just need to change the questions, or you can keep the same questions as you like it, and you can play this game. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and definitely do send me your mail ID so that I can give you the template. I can send the template to you all, so as you can use it as per your requirements. Also, I would request all of you to share this video to your friends, colleagues, okay, and to anybody, okay, whomsoever you want to share. Please share it to many people, so that the teachers across India, across the world can use these games in order to keep the children engrossed in virtual education, or keep the children engrossed during online teaching. I would also request you to kindly press the like button, so that if you can give me your feedback in that manner, whether you like my game, okay, then I also get motivated to come up with new ideas. You can also share your experiences, you can share your views about this game. You can give me ideas as to if I need to make any changes in this game, so that I can incorporate all of the changes that you recommend. Okay, so I am so happy that you are watching my channel, and you are also giving a lot of effort in trying to understand the game, as well as also I'm sure you must be very interested, very excited how to incorporate the games in the class. Okay, so I again wish you all the best, and please go ahead with this kind of learning. Please be always happy, and also allow the children to have fun and be happy in the class. Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you.